Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do singular plural from our English grammar. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or thing. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, cats, houses, and flowers. And add es to noun that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x, and z to get their plural forms. For example, ostrich, and its plural is ostriches. Dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, princesses. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Sometimes some words ending in O take only S in its plural form. For example, piano, pianos. Ox, oxen, not oxes. The noun that end in a consonant followed by Y change into plural form by changing the Y to I and then adding ES. For example, city, cities. Country, countries. The noun that end in a vowel followed by change into plural form simply by addition of key, keys. To form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. For example, leaf, leaves. A few words do not follow the rule. For example, chef, chefs. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, hare, deer, bison.
Dear students, we have some plural rules. If you have to make a plural, then you have to follow some rules. Most times, you just add s to a word if you have to make it plural. अगर एक वर्ड y से एंड होता है तब हम y को ड्रॉप कर देंगे और हम लोग ies को ऐड कर देंगे. Let's see the third rule. If a word is ending in ch, s, sh, x or z, then we add es to the word. Now dear students, if a word ends with f or fe, then drop f and add ves. Is that clear? I'll just elaborate this thing again. So dear students, for most of the words, you should be remembering that we just add s, right? What do? You just add s. But if the word is ending with, you should be remembering, if a word is ending with ch, sh, s, double s, x or z, then we add es to the word. Let's take an example. One ostrich. See, ostrich is ending with what? Ch. But what do we make the word? If we have to make a plural, we say two ostriches. Es हम लोग add कर देंगे. Is that clear? So always remember, if a word is ending with ch, sh, s, double s, x or z, then we add es to the word. Now dear students, let's see your rule number 2. If we check out with the rule number 2 here, you should be remembering, अगर आपका कोई भी word y से end होता है, जैसे कि puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, is that clear? You know what it forms? तब हम लोग y को कट कर देंगे and हम लोग I-E-S क्या करेंगे? Add कर देंगे. Is that clear? So what is the word that we people are going to have? The word that we people would be having is P-U-P-P-I-E-S, puppies. Now बच्चे, let's move ahead towards the next rule. Next rule is to change F और F-E. अगर आपके पास F से कोई भी word end हो रहा है, is that clear? Do remember, it is again very interesting. अगर कोई भी word हमारा F से end हो रहा है, then you should always remember that हम लोग F को या F-E को leave कर देंगे and we would be using what? Adding V-E-S. क्या ऐड कर देंगे? VES. Just see to it. What does leaf? L-E-A-F. It ends with F. तो ये leaf क्या बन जाता है बच्चे? You should always remember it turns out to be leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Is that clear? So always remember these two rules. Change the Y को कट करेंगे और क्या ऐड करेंगे? IES. और अगर कोई भी वर्ड F और FE से एंड हो रहा है तो हम F और FE को छोड़ देंगे, कट कर देंगे and we will add VES to the word. Now dear students, there is one more rule. Always remember, अगर कोई भी word Y से एंड हो रहा है लेकिन उससे पहले एक वॉवल है, you know ना what are the vowels? We have 5 friends, 5 vowels, A-E-I-O-U. तो अगर कोई भी वर्ड A-E-I-O-U मतलब Y से पहले A-E-I-O-U आता है तो then we just have to add S to the word. हमने क्या ऐड करना है? We are just going to add S to the word. Like always remember, if there is particularly there's a vowel before the Y, we just add S to the word. हम लोग क्या ऐड करेंगे बच्चे? S to the word. So you should be remembering one monkey. It turns out to be 2 monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Just as S. Why? Because Y से पहले यहाँ पर E था. तो E is a vowel. Now dear students, you should remember there is one more rule. अगर कोई भी एक noun यहाँ पर कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस ओ के साथ एंड होता है देन वी जस्ट आर गोइंग टू ऐड ES टू दैट. लाइक हीरो बिकम्स हीरोज, HEROES. इको बिकम्स इकोज, ECHOES. डू रिमेंबर लास्ट लेटर O है लेकिन इससे पहले क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. R is a consonant, H is a consonant, so that's why हम लोगों ने simple ES लगाना है. Now, let's do the next rule. Nouns ending in vowel plus O. अगर कोई भी noun O vowel plus O के साथ end होता है, just add S, right? I told it to you earlier also. Zoo, zoos. Igloo, igloos. Just add S. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे तो लास्ट लेटर तो O है लेकिन O से पहले वाला जो लेटर है दैट इज अ वॉवल. O से पहले यहाँ पर zoo में O है सो दिस मीन्स O इज अ वॉवल. अगेन इग्लू के अंदर O है लास्ट लेटर बट उससे पहले अगेन O इज देयर सो दिस इज अ वॉवल. वीडियो O है लेकिन इससे पहले E इज देयर एंड E इज अ वॉवल. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड S to the number. Right? And then it becomes a plural. Dear students, you should also remember we have some irregular plurals. Like a man, we call it men. Women, we call it women. Person, people, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, child, children, mouse, mice, ox, oxen.
So students, now you might have understood singular and plural and do rules. So now let's do some exercise with regards to this. We add ES to words ending with SH, S, SH, X, O or double S to get their plural numbers. Now we are do some example of this heading. first line, write the heading of singular plural. Now, our first singular is mango and its plural mangoes. Second box, plural is boxes. Third number, match and its plural is matches. Fourth number, dress and its plural is dresses. When we have words ending with Y and a consonant before Y, we remove Y and add IES to get the plural number. And its example of the fifth number word is copy and its plural is copies. Sixth number, body and its plural is bodies. Now, words ending with F or FE in singular will be changed to plural if F or FE is removed and VES is added. Example of life and its plural is lives. And next example is knife and its plural is knives. Thank you.